In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change color arm in Roblox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to customize the color of your arm or other individual body parts. You will be able to do this when you go over to the avatar editor on the website. So all that you have to do to change individual body parts is to go over to the Roblox website, click on the menu over here and then avatar. You will then be able to access the avatar editor, but on the website instead. Now, all that you have to do is go over to head and body and choose skin tone. In here, you can change the skin tone for your character, so you will notice that the color is reflected across the entire body, including the arms. So you can use this, but if you want to change only the color of your arms, you have to click on advanced, and now you will be able to change the color individually for your left arm and your right arm. So it is going to be reflected over here. You can immediately notice the difference and you can set it to whichever colors you prefer. So I'm going to do red and blue just to make it very obvious. And as you can see, each arm is now colored differently. So all that you have to do is go over to the website, head and body, skin tone, and then you will be able to change it here for individual body parts. Once you have this changed, just click done and the changes will be reflected. Alternatively, if you would like to do this on the actual Roblox launcher, once again, click on Avatar, go over to Customize over here at the top, select Head and Body, Skin, and once again, you are able to change the color of your entire body, or if you go over to Advanced, you can change the color for individual body parts. So choose the left arm, change it here, you can make it darker, you can make it lighter, choose the right arm, and once again, customize to whichever colors you prefer. All of this will be saved, and everything will be reflected when you go inside of a game. You can change your profile picture as well, and anything else that you might want to customize. It is super simple to do, and you just have to choose the skin tone option and go into either standard to change everything, or advanced to change individual body parts. You can do it on the website, even on mobile, or through the app, whatever you prefer. I hope I was able to help you on how to change color arm in Roblox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.